Hey guys, so I look, sound, and feel horrible. Um, I didn't want to go 2 weeks without recording anything, so I recorded 2 videos, but I didn't like how my voice sounded in either of them, so I took my voice out. I completely cut out my voice and just left the gameplay. So, Monday and Wednesday are those 2 videos. Friday, I'll record something during the week for that, but like I said, I didn't want to go 2 weeks without recording anything. So those are the videos for next week. Anyways, I'm gonna probably go lay down and or puke in a bucket or something. I don't know. I feel horrible. Anyways, bye.